If you tried every cleaning system out there and still feel stuck, this might be why. You might be trying to clean a home that's not quite reset yet. No matter how much we want to, we absolutely can't clean clutter. So avoid it as we might. If we don't declutter our homes, we won't be able to clean it to the best of our ability. So if you're trying to clean and it's just not working, let's start going back to the basics. Let's declutter our homes just 10 minutes at a time. I have a system that shows you exactly what to do, and it's absolutely for free. So be sure to check it out in the link below. But 10 minutes at a time is honestly all that you need to get your home clear and ready to clean. The next reason why your cleaning system might not be working is just simply too rigid. Our lives are super fluid and constantly changing. Not to mention, most of us are super duper busy and super duper overwhelmed. Well, these rigid systems don't leave any margin for life to happen. So they're more designed for predictability, not chaos. But here's the thing, all of our lives tend to have a little bit of chaos in it, and sometimes things can be a bit unpredictable. And when those things happen, these predictable cleaning systems, while they are beautiful and they work, might not exactly work for us. If your day-to-day is typically unpredictable, a rigid routine, as beautiful as they may be, might just be setting you up to fail. You can remedy this by shifting to systems that are more simple, that work with your day-to-day energy level, time of day, season of life, and all of the things. This might be a better way to get your home to actually work. Another reason why your cleaning system might not be working is you're not naturally tidy. That's okay, because same. But if you come to my home, you would not believe it. However, once upon a time, before I had the boys, you could not even see my floors. I can tell you a story or 10 about some crazy things that have happened to me because of this. So I totally understand. However, that doesn't mean that there aren't systems that can work. All we need to do is work with ourselves, not against ourselves. In fact, before, you can even pay me to clean. Now I actually quite enjoy it. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. If you need more help with this, feel free to check out the Messy Homemaker's Guide to a Home That Actually Works, where I walk through every single thing that I have done, my systems, my frameworks, everything is all there in a way that you can practically apply. Plus, I do make it fun, and it's just $20, so be sure to check it in the link below. It's over 90 pages of systems that actually work, that you can apply on your day-to-day, no matter what your life looks like today. The next, you might be cleaning for Pinterest and not peace. Everyone's home is different, but when we set up these unrealistic standards every single day, comparing ourselves, trying to keep up with the Joneses or whatever it may be, we might just fail and not feel like it's enough. But when we're actually doing our very best, and these systems might work if we just tweaked it a little bit for ourselves. Which brings me to my next point. You might be doing the perfect system, but it might not be perfect for you. Let's stop trying to copy everyone else's systems. That's why mine is super duper customizable, because I know that everyone's life is a little bit different and everyone has 1,000 different things going on. But if we mimic a system from start to finish exactly how one person does it, we might either feel like we're not getting the same results, or we might be, but we might be working twice as hard. And we need to work smarter, not harder. Everyone's season of life is different. Our home layouts are different. Our personalities are different. We have to tweak the routines to a rhythm that works for us. Think about when you naturally have the most energy throughout the day. There are many different ways that you can approach this, but be sure that you customize it for you, because if it's yours, it'll stick. The next reason why it may not yet be simple enough. Maybe you did tweak it for you, and maybe you can do it, but maybe it's just still so complicated. It has a bajillion steps that we may not be realistically able to do every single day. So Another reason why your cleaning system might not be working is we need to just simplify it a little bit more. But that's okay because we can play around with it every single day until we get it just right. And guess what? You're doing more than you know and way better than you think. A lot of cleaning routines assume that you'll start with motivation, but what if I told you the motivation doesn't necessarily come right off the bat? And there are some secret things that you can do to combat this, to have a tidy home anyway. If you're interested, check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.